Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to focus on two skills that actually improve the quality of your AI interactions, adding context and setting guardrails. If you have ever had a model produce vague answers, invent details, or drift away from what you asked it is usually because the prompt didn't give it enough structure. In this lesson, I will show you how to fix that with a few simple techniques. AI models don't reason the way humans do. They don't read between the lines or assume anything about your intentions. They respond only to the text you provide. So, when a prompt is missing background information, the model tries to fill in the gaps on its own, which leads to unpredictable results. When you add context, you reduce guesswork. The model no longer has to imagine the setting, the goal, or the style. It can follow the direction you have given instead of trying to invent its own path. Context also helps the model match the tone, the depth, and the purpose you have in mind. If you want a friendly explanation, a technical breakdown, or a concise summary, the context signals which way to go. It shapes how the answer feels and how detailed it becomes. And context keeps responses relevant. It acts like a boundary that prevents the model from wandering into ideas you don't need. When the prompt stays anchored, the output stays focused. Let's look at a quick example to show how missing context affects the final output. A weak prompt may say, summarize this report. It gives almost no direction. The model has to decide who the summary is for, what level of detail to include, and what angle to take. With so many open traces, the result can feel vague or unfocused. A stronger prompt would say, summarize this report for a fintech analyst in 2 bullet points. Now the model has clear framing. It knows the audience, the style, and the format. This small amount of structure makes the response sharper and more useful. Therefore, simple framing improves accuracy. Even a short line of context can turn a generic answer into something that fits your actual needs. Context sets the direction, and guardrails keep the model on the path. They work together to guide the response toward what you actually need. Guardrails are straightforward rules that reduce uncertainty and support consistent output. They define what the model should include, what it should avoid, how the output should be formatted, and the style or tone you expect. When these rules are clear, the output becomes more accurate and consistent. To see how guardrails work in practice, it helps to look at a few short examples. These small rules shape the response and remove uncertainty. A guardrail like return exactly 3 insights sets a clear limit. The model knows the exact amount of information to provide. Do not invent missing data. Stops the model from filling gaps with assumptions. This keeps the answer grounded in what you actually supply. Keep language simple, guides the thought. It tells the model to avoid complex wording and keep the response easy to read. Return JSON only. Defines the output format. With this rule in place, the model avoids extra text and focuses on structure. Do not guess missing details. Blocks creative additions that could mislead your results. Provide exactly 3 insights. Reinforces the idea that clear limits lead to focused outputs. These short lines show how guardrails bring structure. When the rules are direct and specific, the model stays on track and produces a more reliable answer. Using structure helps separate different parts of your prompt. For example, quotes can mark text that the model should treat as data. Code blockers can highlight instructions or examples that need to stay exact. Delimiters can clearly show where one section ends and another begins. Structure prevents instructions from being confused with data. When the model can see clearly which parts are instructions and which are content, it can follow the direction you have given instead of trying to invent its own path. By adding simple structure, you reduce errors and improve the quality of the response. Structure is important because it guides the model and keeps the outputs accurate. It prevents the model from mixing instructions and data. When instructions are clearly separated from content, the model knows exactly what to follow. Structure also improves accuracy in extraction tasks. With clearly defined sections, the model can pull the right information without confusion. It also reduces formatting errors, making it easier for the model to keep lists, tables, or code in the correct format. By reducing ambiguity, structure helps the model understand your intent and limits mistakes. Clear separation of instructions and data keeps the model focused on the right text, resulting in more reliable and useful outputs. A prompt pattern gives a reliable structure for most tasks. Following a clear pattern helps the model understand your instructions and produce accurate results. Start by defining a role. This tells the model who it should be or how it should approach the task. Next, add context, set guardrails to limit uncertainty, specify the output format, and insert data using delimiters. Using this pattern consistently improves accuracy, clarity, and reliability in AI responses. Now let's put these ideas into practice. Your task is to extract structured information from a customer feedback message. The output must include four fields: customer name, sentiment, main issues, and priority level. The prompt should include a role, context, boundaries or guardrails, and delimiters around the data. Here's an example you can use as a reference. You are a data extraction assistant. Your task: extract structured fields from the customer feedback below. Rules: return only valid JSON. Do not invent details. Use keys, customer name, sentiment, main issues, priority level. And data in delimiter, as Sibach reported that the new update keeps logging him out. When everything is set up correctly, role, context, guardrails, output format, and delimiters, you get clean, predictable results that match your expectations. Let's do this in ChatGPT and see the output. This output is clear, consistent, and easy to use. The model follows the instructions, stick to the format, and include only the information you are requested. Well-structured prompts lead directly to results like this. Context improves accuracy. Guardrails keep responses consistent. Structure separates your instructions from your data. And delimiters make your prompts easier for the model to interpret. Once you put these pieces together, your prompts become far clearer and your results become far more reliable. In the next lecture, we will look at how to turn these ideas into reusable templates you can apply across multiple tasks.